In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easy way to move blocks in WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you shuffle around your page elements like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your page or post. The starting point for this is logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with this part, it's essentially the control center of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and look for either the Pages or Posts section, depending on which one you want to edit. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select the specific page or post that you want to modify. This will open up the editor where the layout of your content can be adjusted. Now, let's move on to selecting the block you wish to adjust. A block could be any section of your page. It might be a paragraph, an image, a button, or something else. Simply click on the block you're interested in. You'll notice a small toolbar that appears either next to or above the selected block. This toolbar is your toolkit for making various adjustments. With your block selected, it's time to get the moving process underway. There are two straightforward methods you can use. The first option is to utilize the arrow buttons on the toolbar. These handy little guys allow you to nudge your block upwards or downwards, one position at a time. This method is particularly useful if you're looking to make small adjustments without disrupting your overall layout. It's a methodical way to get your content just where you need it. Now, if you're looking to make a more significant change, you might prefer the drag and drop method. For this, you'll want to focus on the 6-dot icon that you'll find on the left side of the block. Click and hold down on these dots. They act like a handle. Once you've got a grip on it, drag the block to its new desired location. Then, simply release your mouse button, and voila, your block will drop into its new spot. It offers a bit more freedom and is ideal if you're reimagining the structure of your page's layout. And there you have it. Moving blocks in WordPress can be incredibly intuitive once you get the hang of it. Whether you decide to use the arrow buttons for precise adjustments or go for the drag and drop method for more dynamic changes, both options offer you flexibility in designing and organizing your page or post. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped simplify the process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.